This is the practice problems to go with the piecewise functions and continuity lecture. In the other video, I did 2 example problems and talked about them. In this one, I'm just going to show you some examples. If you need to go back and watch the ones that I did first before you do your own, this is when you should do that. Okay, your instructions are to graph the function and identify where the function is continuous, and then to classify the discontinuities at each point. This is your first practice problem. When you press play, I'll show you my graph. Beautiful. Here's the graph that I came up with. In this case, your graph needs to look exactly like mine. This is not a multiple ways to do this correctly kind of situation. This is what the graph looks like. If you haven't already, you should be identifying points of continuity and discontinuity. Great, here's what they look like. This is how I would write it, and notice how I explain in detail what I'm saying. I don't just write them down. Here's the next one for you. When you're ready to see the graph, press play. Here's the graph. And if you haven't already, write down the points of continuity and discontinuity. Beautiful. Here's your third one. Pause the video while you graph the function. Here's what the graph looks like. Notice the only way I would know that that point is solid and continuous is because I calculated by plugging in 2 to both of these functions. Same thing right up there. And continuity. Last example, pause while you graph. Here's what the graph should look like. And the continuity. How fun. All right, good luck studying.